Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BossTinz Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can position yourself with the upcoming BitBama Airdrop. Okay, but before that, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, I say big thank you to you guys for staying being in the community. And if you like this video, right, hit the like button and comment below your thoughts, or if you have any question regarding this video, just comment in it below this video and I will do my best to respond to you. Okay, so before we proceed in signing up, let's go to the Twitter page to get more information. What is BitBama? Okay, as you can see on their Twitter page, say BitBama is revolutionizing crypto adaptation with an easy-to-use platform that combines AI, cutting-edge tech, and Web3. And as you can see here, they have over 34,000 followers right on their Twitter page. And if you come down here, you can see 3 easy steps to earn BitBama. Register your account. Get started with the BitBama by signing up for an account. Verify your email address and complete your profile. Okay, so that is what I'm going to guide you through in this video. So once you are done with that, you start earning some BitBama. Okay, so let's dive into the video proper. Okay, let's go to their site, and once you click the link in the description below this video, it will take you down to this page. Take you down to this page. All you just need to do is enter your username, your email address, you create a password, enter your country name, and make sure that the referral code there is showing BossTinz. Okay, then you hit the sign up button. So once you are done with that, go to your email address to click on the confirmation email sent to you. Once you complete all this process, then you can now go to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, you should be able to complete your profile settings. All you just need to enter your email address, your name, your phone number, and all every other necessary information added. Ask it there. Just fill it. Just simple tasks that you can do. So once you complete that, then you can now see this claim now button. So when you click the claim now button, you'll be completing just simple tasks, just few seconds, and you claim some. But so let me click on it now and see what I'm talking about. As you can see, just read through this text, and you can see down here, you see the countdown button. Say complete complicated strategy, avoid complicated strategy if you are not familiar with it too. So once you are done with that, just click on next. Once you click on the next button, you earn 3 Bama. Okay, see, as you can see right here, I've earned 3 Bama down here. So now all the next, I just click on next. When you click on next, the next tax will come up. Say alt is short for all time high and refers to the highest number. As you can see right down here, it's counting down for me. Once the countdown is over, I will earn another 3 Bama. So just do this every day for like a minute or thereabout. You are through with the tax for the day. So I will click on done to end, and right now I'm done for today's tax. As you can see now I cannot invite more friends and all that. So once you are done with that, you earn more Bama. Okay, so as you can see now, I've earned 46 Bama. Currently, previously it was 30 something Bama. Now I've earned about 6 Bama today. That's making 46 Bama. So when you come down here, you will see all your earning history. As you can see, I'll be earning daily. If I click on more, you will see more that I'll be earning. But all your just simple tasks, just come here, read the few seconds the text, and you earn more. So right down here, you can see those that have been earning massively from this. Right here, see this person has earned almost 134,000 Bama, and this other person is 127,000 plus Bama. And so guys, don't slack on this. You never can tell how much this coin will worth in the future. Okay, so just click the link in the description below this video and sign up. Complete the sign up task, and make sure that you put your an image it can be your own personal image or an image is downloaded online. Just put in something in your profile picture and complete your profile setup and start earning. Okay, every day, just as you can. After I've done with today's task, you can see my next task is coming up in the next 23 hours 42 minutes, so that will be till tomorrow again before I come here to claim under Bama again. So that is it, guys. Just don't slack on this, okay? And also, if you want to refer, come down here and click on the referral button right here. Just click on it. It will take you where you see your referral link. If you give this message, just hold on, then come back again and click on it. It will just click on it again once more, and you can see your referral link. Then just click on this button to copy. And once you copy, you will be able to share it with your friends and family, and just share it to earn more Bama. As you can see right here now, that each you will get 5 Bama for every person that register using your link. So just don't slack on this, guys. Alright, don't slack on this at all. You never can tell how much this can worth in the future. So guys, I will be trying the cutting for today's video, and until my next video, please stay active and keep earning. Bye for now.